Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the back cover and then take out the logic board cover with the pad by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, take out the bottom cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, disconnect the main flex connector from the charging port board. The left side main flex plug connects with the LCD plug. Gently disconnect the cable. Next, disconnect the Touch ID camera plug and 2 antenna heads from the charging port board and then undo the screw holding the board. Next, gently pull out the not working charging port board from the body. Next, place the new charging port board and secure it by adding the screw. While placing, be careful with cable and antennas. Next, secure the Touch ID camera plug, motherboard flex cable plugs, and 2 antenna heads to the charging port board. While securing the left side main connector plug, make sure the LCD plug is flattened and put down on the charging port board. And then connect the left side main flex with the LCD connector plug. Next, place and secure the cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the logic board cover by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or any double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.